The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound ng. Repeat after me. Ng. 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 Ng in anger. Again, anger. Finger. Again, finger. England. Again, England. Jingle. Again, jingle. Longer. Again, longer. Stronger. Again, stronger. Younger. Again, younger. Hanger. Again, hanger. Jungle. Again, jungle. What other words have the middle sound of ng? Ng in lang. Again, lang. Ring. Again, ring. Song. Again, song. Swing. Again, swing. String. Again, string. Wings. Again, wings. Swing. Again, swing. Strong. Again, strong. Wrong. Again, wrong. String. Again, string. Long. Again, long. Tongue. Again, tongue. What other words have the final sound of ng? Now let's practice phrases with the sound. Ready? Strong wings. Again, strong wings. Angry beggar. Again, angry beggar. Long tongue. Again, long tongue. Younger brother. Again, younger brother. Little finger. Again, little finger. Now let's practice sentences with the sound. Ready? The strong wind swings the plant. Again, the strong wind swings the plant. The bird's wings are strong. Again, the bird's wings are strong. I am strong enough to survive. Again, I am strong enough to survive. My little brother is playing the string of the guitar. Again, my little brother is playing the string of the guitar. Your answer is wrong. Again, your answer is wrong. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ng. Repeat after me. Ng. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.